Yeah, that's how they're making it. Wow.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here. After crunching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Are they actually real?
No, they're all display. They're just for display.
It was really fun and I wanted to ride it again. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click thumbs up and subscribe.